1, 2, 3.
Well, good morning, everyone, and welcome to Boost. The band is back together.
I mean, we got conventions where people get up here and they read education code and they lecture and they talk about, but this isn't that. You're here with well over 2,000 people and the energy is palpable.
We often hear from people at Boost that they meet people here and they become friends for life. We're a community of creators, dreamers, doers, change agents, and hope dealers. It is an experience that is built on radical participation and generated by collaborators throughout the year.
Hello, everybody. Dr. Bettina Love from the University of Georgia. I'm so delighted to be at Boost. It was just an amazing experience today to talk to a room of folks who are dedicated and thoughtful and loving and kind about the future of our children. And so I thank you, Boost, for having me. I thank you for all the wonderful, beautiful after-school folks who are doing this work.
These people are rocking it here today with the idea of technology, music, movies, hands-on experience, energy, and most importantly, bringing your passion and put it into movement. Way to go, Boost.
Those that work with young people, those that work in schools, those that are principals, those that work in after-school programs, we are the only ones that can move our society out of trauma into transformation. But if we are not given the tools, what we tend to do is stick with us and them. And sometimes we need a compass to give us the directions, give us the guide and the tools that we need to heal the divisions that we have in our society.
When you think about what you're going to choose to do with your time, I hope that you'll move away from confirmation bias where you just go listen to things that you already believe in. And I hope you'll think about exposing yourself and challenging yourself with new ideas, because exploring takes courage and it's unknown.
To everybody in this room, every single person in this room, thank you for choosing to support youth, choose kindness, and make this world a little better every day.
Boost is amazing, and I am so excited that we came here.
It's exciting to be with like-minded individuals again, and being here to support youth, to support your coworkers, have fun.
The environment here is the type of environment that we try to create for the kids.
And I've had an absolute blast, and I can't wait to come back next year.
Boost 2023, make sure that you're here.